We are here at the completed HDFC Bank branch, Thane, Mumbra. 4,000 square feet delivered in just 8 weeks. Despite legacy challenges, structural constraints and a tight timeline. इस प्रोजेक्ट में सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था एक कंप्लीटली फुल फ्लैज रनिंग रेस्टोरेंट को ब्रेक डाउन करके, रिफर्बिश करके और अदर रिनोवेशन करके एक फुल फ्लैजेड ऑपरेशनल बैंक ब्रांच बनाना. ये फाइनल कंप्लीशन पॉसिबल हुआ एक फुल फ्लैज कोऑर्डिनेटेड एग्जीक्यूशन और डिसिप्लिन प्लानिंग की वजह से. अ फुल्ली लेवल्ड साइट, concealed HVAC and electrical services, optimized space flow in a narrow layout, a customer-ready facility that looks seamless end-to-end. This site was previously a restaurant. We dismantled every part, handled raised flooring, relocated drainages, and worked around low ceiling heights. Every obstacle was turned into an execution detail. We are now ready to hand over a future-ready branch that's not just built but transformed right. At AK Interiors, we don't just finish projects, we deliver readiness on time with precision. If you're planning your next rollout, let's connect. Let's build together. Visit www.akinteriorsgroup.com.